Welcome back. Today we are having a crock pot breakfast dish today. So let's get started. All right, we have our 10-inch skillet. We're going to cook down a pound block of sausage. We're going to cut this all up and get this nice and cooked. All right, we have our sausage cooked down. All the pink is gone. We're going to strain this and rinse it to get all the grease off of it the best we can. All right, we have 6 eggs and we're going to beat them up. First thing we're going to do, we have our crock pot out. We're going to load this bad boy up. But first we're going to spray it with non-stick cooking spray. Nice coating on there. We're going to add our cooked sausage as it's been strained. Add that into the pot. Going to add our milk. Eggs that we've beaten up. Complete pancake mix. Cheese. And some ground mustard. And we're going to stir this up. Get this all nice and mixed. We're going to cook this on high for 1 hour, and then we're going to cook it on low for an hour and a half after that. All right, it's been 2.5 hours. The first hour was on high, second hour was on low. And you can see how it puffed right up. Let's dig into this. Look at that. So this forms like a cake. There you have it. All right, so let's give this a try. Definitely a form of a hot cake. This is a good breakfast. This is a good brunch, unless it takes a couple hours to cook. Excellent, very excellent. The cheese is there. Sausage, the pancake batter. It's all there, and it all tastes great. So until next time, this is a Classical Gourmet. Wish you happy cooking.